Hi guys, it's your girl DiorAdoree and I'm back with another YouTube video. As you can tell from the title of this video is going to be a clothing haul. So let's get straight into the video. This is the first piece, and this is from Skims. This is the Contour Nylon, Contour Nylon mid-thigh onesie, and I love it. It's tight and stretchy at the same time. Hugs my body. It does come with butt lifting. And it does have the little zipper in the middle. I will definitely be wearing this. I rate this a 10 out of 10. I will also be linking the pictures on the side and in the description. So it doesn't roll up either. I love how firm it is. It does say it's a body contouring suit, so it's going to contour your body and give you those curves, and I love that. So let me take this off now. So this is the Lululemon set. I don't really like how big the bottoms come. Majority all of their clothes weren't really big. I'm guessing because the girls are athletic and they're really tall, so you have to give it some room in the clothes. But I'm a size 4 in Lululemon, and they didn't have this size in this color, so I got a size 8, and I really don't like it. But the bra is a size 8 too. I can fit the bra. The bra is perfect. It's just, I wish the skirt was a little bit more fitter. It could have been a little bit more fitter. It does come with shorts. It has like a little pocket. You can put your phone, your water, charger, whatever in there while you're running. And these are really gonna come in handy because when I go jogging, I don't have anywhere to put my keys or my phone, so I normally leave it in the car or hold it in my hand, which I don't want to. So that's gonna be a new good thing for me. It comes with pockets. So this other stuff, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it on. It doesn't match, but I'm gonna try it on anyways to show you guys what I got. Okay, so both of these are Lululemon. I have these in a size 4, so I was able to find these colors in a size 4. I do love it. It fits perfect. I love the jacket. It's very snugly and tight, and the same as the shorts. They're very comfy and snugly. They have the shorts connected with the pockets. But I'm gonna love these when I go work out. I love the jacket too. I'm thinking of getting it in the colors, the brown, the new fall collection. And I may get joggers instead of a skirt. The skirts are really pretty though. I love them. 10 out of 10 in my size. Yes. So, yeah. Supposedly, the jacket lets you cover your hands up if you get cold. I love that because I'm anemic and I get pretty cold pretty quick, so I can snuggle up. I love how thick it is too. It's like very warm in the jacket, almost like a winter breaker. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, so this is the set from Yitty Fabletics. It is shapewear, and I love it. I definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. The panties are definitely full coverage. I have on a panty under this panty, so they're definitely full coverage, and the cotton is soft and thick and scratchy. It also comes with like a little elastic that sticks to your skin, the warmth of your skin, so that this doesn't rise up and down as you move throughout the day. And I love the little arm cover up. It has like little ruffles. Yitty Fabletics. I love the blue color. Tuck them rolls in. That shape. Get you right, mama. It's me and my tags bopping off. It's like thread. I don't want to rip it because it's gonna most likely hurt. So it's whatever. The big titty crew. I love how tight this is, how snug it is. Very supporting and firm. Okay, so let me take this off and show you guys the other one I got. Okay, so this is the black one, a size small from Yitty. And I can definitely say Yitty has won them a new customer. I love this set. I love all of them. They fit perfect and snug. I love the support in them. They're just the right amount of tightness, snugness. Like, look at them. Shake them rolls in. As I said with the other one, it comes with like a little elastic band right here to support it from rolling up. I love that. Chef kiss for the big titty girls. I love it. I love the color in black. It's very pretty. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna try out Yitty's athletic wear. They sell workout clothes also, so I'm gonna give that a try along with the shapewear. I love it. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I did order Yitty's Fabletics black skirt, and it says small. Theirs do not come with pockets. So yeah, I love how it fits though. It's pretty snug and tight. Looks like I'm finna go play golf or tennis. Let's go to the golf course. Okay, so here I'm just gonna show you guys these last couple of things that I have. So I got myself this Coach bag. Take out the little wrappings. I want it in the brown original color. I like how small and cute it is. I think they call these the little mini duffel bags. I like mini purses, I'm not gonna lie. I love them a lot. They're very much my style. And I got these pants that are swimming trunks. I thought they were shorts, but they're swimming trunks and they're from Yitty. I should have tried them on. They have like the little logo right here, Yitty, which is really cute. Little booty shorts. They have like ruffles on the side. You can tie them up to make them cheekish. They're pretty smooth too. And lastly, I have these glasses from Firmoo. I'm gonna be showing you guys. They have little kitten paws. So these glasses are from, oh, I love these. These glasses are from Firmoo. They're sent to me and they're very affordable, and they're also prescription glasses. You can also get non-prescription glasses. They have a lot of cute options, as you can see. I love these. And also, I'm gonna leave my code at the bottom so that you guys can get 50% off when you go shop with Firmoo. I love these glasses, they're so cute. They have little hearts in the frames, the little kitty paws. So mines aren't with prescription in them, so you don't have to get them with prescription. But if you need them with prescription, you can have them ordered with prescription through the website. So I do love that about it. And yeah, I love my new glasses that Firmoo sent me. And make sure you guys use my code to get 50% off. I'm gonna link it in my bio. And that would be the end of this video. I hope you guys like this YouTube video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.